Hey my friends, it's Mr. Chad. Do you love vegetables? Well, I do, and I really love vegetable soup because it's very healthy and very delicious. Today, I want to share about how vegetables grow. Today's book is called Growing Vegetable Soup, written and illustrated by Lois Ehlert. Dad says we are going to grow vegetable soup. We're ready to work, and our tools are ready too. We are planting the seeds. And all the sprouts. And giving them water. And waiting for warm sun to make them grow. And grow. And grow into plants. We watch over them and weed. Until the vegetables are ready for us to pick. Or dig up. And carry home. Then we wash them. And cut them up to put them in a pot of water. And cook them into vegetable soup. At last, it's time to eat it all up. It was the best soup ever. And we can grow it again next year. The end. And that was today's story about growing vegetables. Now, I want you to try and make your very own vegetable soup with your family. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye!